course, transitioning to a new home is difficult for anyone, even under the best of circumstances. And honestly, when Mom moved to the Reflections program, I think I had the difficulty, more difficulty than she did in the transitions. I'd been doing everything for Mom, and it was hard for me to just hand over a lot of the responsibilities that I'd had. And it took me a few weeks, but as I began to see Mom comfortably slipping into the routine and to the staff and to everything, I began to realize that it was perfect for her. They were providing things that I had had trouble providing. I found that my mom has the chance to be a real individual here. The staff, regardless of what floor they're on in this building, they know my mother, and they seem to know every resident. I have yet to see a staff member from any level not recall a resident's name or some little facts about them. You know, there might be a gentleman who has a lot of war stories, and the staff will take the time to sit down and ask questions about the stories. The staff seems to know the individual interests of all the residents here. At times, my mom still believes she's a nurse. She had a whole long career as a nurse and views some of the staff here as co-workers and some of the residents as her patients. And I really love it that if she speaks to a staff member as if she's a co-worker, a fellow nurse, that the staff member replies appropriately. She reinforces what Mom may have said. I think Mary needs to have this afternoon. And if it's appropriate, the staff member will say, well, yes, Mrs. Plunkett, we'll make sure that Mary gets that this afternoon. Thank you. In the Reflections program, I find that the staff isn't just staff, and the other residents aren't just residents. And the families also, we've become friends. My mom has made real friends here. From the staff, from other families, and from the residents. I've made friends from within the families. And we've actually celebrated some holidays together. So this isn't a place where Mom just came to live and be Mom. It's a community here. It truly is a community.